Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Kia Forte with a key. First, locate the physical key. Insert it fully into the driver's side door keyhole. Turn the key clockwise about 1/4 of a turn. You should hear the lock disengage. Then, simply pull the door handle to open your car. This method is reliable even if your key fob battery is dead. For convenience, use your key fob. Simply press the unlock button, usually marked with an open padlock icon. Your Kia Forte's lights will flash, and you'll hear the locks disengage. If you press it twice, all doors typically unlock. This is the quickest way to access your vehicle when the fob is working correctly and within range. If your key fob isn't working, first check its battery. A weak battery is a common culprit. Also, ensure your car's battery isn't completely dead, as this can affect remote unlocking. If both seem fine, or if you're unsure, always revert to using the physical key in the door. It's your most reliable backup. Many modern Kia Forte smart key fobs have a hidden physical key inside. To access it, look for a small release button or switch on the side of the fob. Slide or press it, then pull out the metal key. This emergency key allows you to manually unlock the driver's door, providing access even if the car's battery is completely drained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.